Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message.
Hey, Stephanie, this is Tom calling from Ocean City, Maryland. We know this has been a heavy year for you.
Stephanie, along with her brother and father, lost their homes in the devastating California wildfires.
I wasn't a recluse because I was having to move and find apartments nonstop because, our house is burned in the fire.
Ocean City has always been a place where people come to feel alive again, to laugh, try something new, to reset. So we wanted to invite you here for one day.
Welcome to Ocean City.
Thank you.
6 challenges.
Woo! Oh my God.
All iconic Ocean City experiences. And if you complete them, we'll make a meaningful donation to a local cause.
From all of us here at Diaconia, thank you, Stephanie, for your support.
No scripts, no pressure,
This is so fun.
just real moments and a chance to feel what makes Ocean City, Maryland special.
Hey guys, I'm Steph Pratt, and this is season 1 of Only Ocean City, Maryland. First time here, wish me luck.